Hello, today we will talk about interior product classification which comes under home textile or home fashion. So in fact, let me tell you there is no universal way of classifications. What does it mean? It means that there is no way in the whole universe which can classify an anterior products in a systematically way. It means that there may be different fabrics which are used in more than one classifications. So there will be an overlap in classification always in whatever way we are classifying the interior products. So they can be grouped in several products, and it also depends upon the marketing and distribution arrangements. So let we try the best way we can classify interior products. So first is decorative fabrics. As mentioned earlier, these are not limited to the home furnishing. There may be other class of products where these are being used, which we will discuss with time. In fact, these decorative fabrics consist of upholstery, draperies, wall hanging. Second is soft floor covering. In soft floor covering, we mean by carpets, rugs, etc. And third is window and wall coverings, which basically consist of draperies, curtains, etc. Bedrooms, which includes blankets, comforters, bedspreads, sheet, etc. Bathroom products, which includes towels, shower curtain, kitchenette, tabletops, basically in hospitality industry, and decorative pillows and throws. We will discuss this in coming slides. So if we talk about decorative fabrics in the context of interior furnishing industry, these are the textile that are used for upholstery, draperies, wall hangings and curtains. Now these decorative fabrics are produced and marketed in several ways. They may be produced by large producing mills, smaller mills, and may be taken up converters and jobber as well. So let me understand what do I mean by large these producers. Now if we talk about large producing mills, in fact these are producing the interior products, decorative fabrics in a mass scale and selling to manufacturers who are dealing the mass market in furniture. And here the price segment is generally medium to low price. And if we talk about smaller mills, these mills are producing exclusive design. The design range is very vast, but in a very small production runs mean the quantity they produce are not of higher range. So they are producing their products to smaller and highly priced furniture manufacturer and even to decorator and designer, which they are further using in custom products. And now if we another class of producer is converter, and converter role is to purchase the goods or the finished fabric from the manufacturer and convert it into interior products and they are selling further it to furniture manufacturer, decorator and designer. And the fourth class is jobber. What jobbers do, that they are getting the fabrics, basically unpopular design or out of style designs from the mills, and they are converting it into finished goods which can be used as draperies and selling to custom shops or small furniture manufacturer. So in fact these are the categories which are taking up the decorative fabrics, converting it into various interior products. Another category under interior product classification is soft floor covering. Now, soft floor covering, as name mentioned, that this soft is used to distinguish them from floor covering, means that in order to differentiate from tiles, linoleum or marble floor, this term soft is being used. So soft floor covering are textile products which are used as flooring material. These includes carpets, rugs, and underlay material which is being used in this gives a cushioning effects for our comfortness. As mentioned that this include carpets, rugs and area rugs. Now carpet in fact is the one which cover the entire floor of a room from wall to wall, while rugs are used basically to cover a large part of floor and usually color patterned, and area rugs are very small and cover a small portion of floor. And this kind of products, carpets, rugs, these require special type of equipments, a tufting machine and special carpet looms which are not adaptable to other types of textile. Not, I mean, not versatile. These machinery will only be producing the carpet and rugs, not to be used for other kinds of fabrics. Now, other categories under interior product classifications are window and wall coverings, which consist of ready-made draperies, curtains, slip covers, and another bedroom products, which includes blankets, comforters, bedspread, sheets, bed sheets, pillowcases, dust ruffles, duvets, and also some kind of curtains are also comes under bedroom. And if we talk about bathroom products, these include towels, shower curtains, bath rugs, and bath mats. And similarly, there is different kind of product segment coming under kitchen and tabletop category. That also includes small towel, hand towels, pot holders, specifically used in hospitality industry, tablecloths, napkins, placements, and runners are being used under this category. And under decorative pillows and throws, we are using furniture and daytime bed decoration, especially to enhance the aesthetic sense. So in this video, we have learned about interior product classification. That's it for today.